my loves, it's Lacey and welcome back to our space. So today in our space we are going to be making a succulent embroidery hoop wreath. I was inspired by something I saw on Pinterest and I thought I'd make my own and put my own little twist in it. So the things that you'll need for this project are 2 sets of embroidery hoops. I wanted to get the bigger one for the outer, however, none of the stores by me had one. I went to Hobby Lobby, I went to Michael's, I went to Joann Fabrics. I've tried everywhere, so I am stuck with these 2 sizes, so I think we can make it work. Also, you're going to need a ton of succulents. I have some succulents that I had left over from last year from the Dollar Tree. All of the ones here that you see came from the Dollar Tree. There are some new ones in there. They are on little clips, and so we'll be utilizing them too. I also have a little white butterfly up there that I'm probably going to use for some embellishment, and my favorite Dollar Tree burlap with lace ribbon. You'll need some kind of box cutter, a pencil for tracing out what we're going to cut. You'll see in a minute. I also have a little floral wire just in case I decide to make a bow. I haven't made sure what I'm gonna do yet, but we'll come up with something. Some scissors to cut your ribbon, of course, and a hot glue gun and glue sticks. So let's just jump into this and see. Okay, so I found the trick to this is definitely use a spoon once you've done it, and hold onto the spoon with the side of your thumb and make sure you score it really well. The scoring part is easy, but it will scoop it right out. It's very loud, but it's a lot quicker. So here's what it looks like once you have it all scored out. Now, in this middle section here, you're going to want to dig it out just a little bit deeper. Not a lot. Don't go through the styrofoam all the way. Just a little bit, because this section here is quite thick. Then you're going to lay it in and make sure that it looks even. I'm going to be quite generous with the glue on this because I don't want it to release at any point. Now I'm going to take some floral wire and I'm going to cut off some sections and double them up. So like fold them over like this and cut off a few and make them into like pens like this. And stick those in around to ensure that this back stays on. Just pushing them through so it holds it a little more secure. And then I'm going to put some hot glue on that to ensure. I'm doing this because I'm not sure how heavy this is going to be. So I'm going to do a couple more of those. Okay, so this is what you're going to have, and don't worry if it's not perfectly even. Mine is kind of jagged there, and this is what the back is going to look like. And don't worry about that either, because no one's gonna see it once you hang it up. If it bothers you, you can cover it with some fabric or poster board or a little ribbon if you like. I'm not gonna do that though. So now comes for the fun part. I got all of my succulents here, and we're just going to begin to arrange them in the foam the way that we like. Okay loves, here is the final product with the succulents on. I have to say this project took a long time. So if you want to make this, it's not hard, it's just time consuming. And hot glue does not love that floral foam. You need to use hot glue and E6000 or Gorilla Glue or something. I had to kind of go back in and put E6000 and hot glue together. The hot glue initially will hold them, but succulents, even these from the Dollar Tree, are kind of heavy. If you get all lighter ones, it might work a little bit better, but I love how it turned out. It just takes time for each thing to dry for a while. So from the time that I started this project, we are 3 hours later, and they've dried enough that I can actually pick it up. If not, they would be kind of falling off. So I just packed it full, in where there were a couple of little spaces, I put some more green leaves. Plus I had a couple of succulents that I took apart and put smaller sections of them in the gaps. It is beautiful in my mind, and I cannot wait to display it. So now I'm going to take the butterfly and put it on the inner hoop. I was gonna put a little sign or something on it, but I don't really want words on it. I don't do that often. If you like, you could put like a sign that says spring or something on it. But I'm just gonna glue the clip to the inner hoop. Like that. And I really don't think it needs a bow. So I'm not gonna use a bow at all. I'm just going to put a piece of twine up here and hang it with that. So that is it for this project. I am in love with it. I cannot wait to display it in my house, and I will show you that right now. Okay, here is my final project. I thought initially I wasn't going to put a bow on it, but I decided to do a little wispy bow opposite the butterfly. Tell me if you guys like it this way. I will be showing it to you without it here in a second. Also, I love how this turned out. It is quite heavy, however, like I said, so this is not its final resting place, but I am really happy with it. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching, for liking, and always sharing my videos. And if you're not a member here at Lacee Space yet, I don't know why not. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hang out with us for a while. We have a lot of fun here. Also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacee Space, the same way that it is spelled here. And I will catch you in my next video. Bye, loves.